Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Pokemon Legends ZA graphics screen flickering. To fix the problem, you need to follow some methods. First, open the Start menu again. Type Device Manager in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click on AMD Radeon R7 M360 and choose Update Driver. Make sure the latest driver version is installed. Next, right-click on Intel R HD Graphics 530. Now select Update Driver to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Another way is to open the Start menu on your PC and go to Settings. In the Settings window, select Windows Update from the left-hand panel. Click Check for Updates to search for any available system updates. This process may automatically fix minor problems. Another way is by opening the Start menu and select Run. In the Run box, type %temp %percentage and click OK. When the folder opens, delete all the temporary files shown there. If corrupted files are taking up space, another way is to again open the Start menu. After that, select Run. In the Run box, type temp and click OK. When the folder opens, delete all the temporary files shown there to remove any corrupted data that could be creating the problem. Following that, restart your PC to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on your taskbar. Click the power button and choose Restart. It will help you fix Pokemon Legends ZA graphics screen flickering issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.